welcome to Jason's New York Kitchen, the smallest kitchen in the world. We're in strange times these days, part of the coronavirus. And so to celebrate our weekends, my wife and I enjoy cooking something special. So today I'm going to make sausage and peppers. The world's easiest dish, and it's 1,000 times better than what you'll get from those street food fairs in the summer. Hopefully we'll have those soon. Anyway, so the ingredients: some Italian sausage. I got this at the farmer's market, which is strange that it's still open. So it's good quality. This farmer upstate New York makes this stuff. Peppers, onion, and garlic. So essentially it is a one-pan meal. I'll show you a couple of things I've observed in making this before. It makes it more effective, because if you try to cook everything at the same time, things cook unevenly. So we have our pan. Now it's essentially some chopping. So I want to try this. I saw this on YouTube on how to chop up a pepper.
Get that going. It smells great in here.
How does it smell?
Good. Alright, let's go. 30, 29, 28. I won't bore you with that. So now I'm going to take this out. Like I said, probably wasn't the most clever way to do this, but I wanted to flavor my oil and not burn the garlic. So, and then I'll throw this back in at the end. Alright, I'm browning my sausage.
Oh my god.
So I'm going to take it out.
Why?
What I want to do is this oil has tons of flavor. So now I'm going to start with the vegetables. Right. I'm starting with the peppers. Careful, I don't want to... Because I want to cook the peppers till they're soft. And I'll put the onions later, because the onions cook faster than the peppers. So as these things go, so be careful. I mean, it's really a lot going on. Claire. Of the show, besides me. So I've heated up my sausage in the oven to finish it. So careful. Alright, so if I touch it, there's firmness to it. I should probably cut it open. And again, everything's live. So if it's still pink, I'll throw it back in the oven. Alright, the angel sang. Oh, this is what I love this thing. I always go like this. So when it's open, I flip it.
How many minutes did you put in the oven?
10. But it's pretty flexible, right? Actually, let's do this. So these guys back in the pool.
Why did you put it back?
Because I want all the, again, I want grease.
now we're ready to eat.
Eat!
So I'll plate this up and then you can meet us in the dining room.
Can't wait.
Now it's the fun part of the show, where I get to try my food. Take off my chapeau, because you shouldn't wear a hat in the house.
Oh!
I don't know why I have headphones in. So, sausage and peppers, red peppers, green peppers, onions, and garlic. And the star of the show besides me is the sausage. You can see, some people say it's oily, but if you've ever had sausage and peppers at the street fairs, it's dry, not as good.
It smells so good. I can't wait to taste it.
All right, let's try to get ready.
How is it? How is it?
Wonderful. Really, really good. And the vegetables, I mean, you could put this on a sandwich plain. Wonderful. Thank you for joining Jason's Small New York Kitchen. Eat well, even in these difficult times. So, we love our sausage and peppers. I didn't really talk about how economical this meal is. I bought the sausage at the farmer's market, so it's expensive, but it was still $10. And the other ingredients, I don't know, 2 peppers. It's very inexpensive meal. This is the part, my favorite part. Although it's whole wheat bread that my wife hates.
This is the best part. Oh my god. Can I have it, please? Tiny bit.
I'm sorry, Mrs. Lou is not camera.
I forgot how, I think those sandwiches are $10 now. No,
I think
anyway.
only the bread and the orange.
Thank you very much.